All right. All right, hello everybody, it's your boy Ian SBFG Nerfer back at it again. Today we have a double barrel shotgun. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, first we gotta put it over here. Two different shells. Oops, we got two different shells. We have the spread, which shoots 3, and you have the regular. The regular, you can put half-length darts and full-length darts, or you can cut down a elite dart to make it fit, but I like using it in this double barrel shotgun anyway. These are the Christmas waffle heads from X-Shot. Anyway. Problems. I do have some problems. Not with this. Let me pull it out. I bought this for my birthday off. I bought this for my birthday off, alright? And it kind of broke. The plunger tube is gone. So I'm gonna have to fix it myself, which will be a very, very long and lengthy process in my opinion. Yeah, that don't shoot right, bro. It's unloaded, but if I put one nerf dart in, it's gonna sound like that, and it's cracking the plunger tube. So I'm gonna fix that, guys. But y'all weren't here to see that shotgun. You're here to see the other one. Now I do have a target set up, and I have some other targets that I will be bringing out to show you the accuracy. So I'm gonna sit over there, and y'all are gonna see it. Let me just grab the other one. The TV does work, y'all. I'm just saying. You don't have to worry about it at all. You do not have to worry about it. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna use the spread because I have so much spread ammo that I hoard it and I don't use it that much. So I'm gonna take out the spread real quick, guys. Where's the other spread? Oh yeah, it's in there. And I'm gonna take reds. Alright, so I'm gonna load up some different ones. I'm gonna load up average nerf dart, Adventure Force dart, average nerf dart, one that came with it, and a Adventure Force one. So that, and probably one of my cut down ones. Yeah. And the regular ones. Let me just. Alright, I'm gonna sit behind there and I'm gonna see how good I did. Alright. That's horrible. That was nice. Okay. Well, as you saw, the first dart went down. Elite darts. Elite Adventure Force. Okay. Dude. Barely. Cut down and sticky. Barely. Spread. I'm gonna lose these. Well, it's what I kind of expected. It spread, so like, just shot everywhere. Now, if you're looking into trying to buy one of these, I do recommend that you don't. See? Barely. Mark put in right. But overall, it's a mid kind of shotgun. It's a shotgun, what do you expect? I did test out the spreads, though, on myself. I shot myself, guys. So, when I loaded it up and primed it and got ready, it's really nice to shoot if it's immediately primed right. If it's not, plunger tube kind of sucks, guys. And that's another one lost. Well, that's alright. I just have one missing. Okay. Overall, could have been a better shotgun. It had potential. It was nice when I got it for the price, but now it's just way too expensive. I am currently missing 2 of the tiny ones. Very tiny darts. But lovely shotgun. I recommend using waffle head darts because one of them shot the best. Alright. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video. Stay tuned. Next video is the Centurion. Bye-bye.